Hello guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix auto restart problem in Windows 11 or automatic startup problem in Windows 11 and how you can fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is just have to press Windows and X key all together. So this will take you to this, and from here you just have to click on search, and here you have to search for Task Manager, TSK. In short, you have to search for tskmgr and just have to press enter, and you'll be getting like this. Now you have to click on more details. From here you have to select file and you have to click on run new task. From here, as you can see, that you have to browse a file, okay, which is very important. You have to click on browse. Now from here you have to follow my instructions. So what you have to do is just have to select this PC. You have to navigate to just have to select this PC, and local disk C you have to select local disk C. From here you have to select Windows folder. You have to select Windows folder, and from here you have to select System32. You have to select System32, and from here you have to select a folder named CMD. You have to select a folder named CMD. Not folder, you have to select CMD. Now you have to click open, and now you'll be getting an option like this: C Windows System 32 cmd.exe. You have to click on this one. You have to tick this, create this task with administrative privileges, go for okay. Now here you have to give few commands. So on the CMD, so the first one is you have to type on the CMD, which is GPU update. Now you just have to press enter. Now this will take a little bit time or what, and you just have to wait for it. And once after that, you just have to type CLS, which means you just have to close it. Now here you have to give one more command, which is very important, which is chkdsk. Space according to your system. You have to give, because mine is being stored in the local disk C, and if it is your D, you have to give D. If it is E, you have to give E. Mine is local disk C, so I have to give for it and go for enter. Okay, once it is done, what you have to do is next is you just have to exit. Okay, it is done. So next instructions what you have to follow is you just have to go to the next one. You have to click on search, and the next is you have to type for reject. You have to click over here, run as administrator, and go for yes. And from here you have to follow my next instruction. Here you have to select H key local machine first. Now from here, what you have to do is just click on software, expand this. Now from here you have to navigate to Microsoft, select it, expand it, and from here you have to keep scrolling down, and you have to find Windows. You have to find Windows. Keep scrolling. Now as you can see that we have Windows, so you have to click over here, right click, and create new key. You have to create a new key. So the new key is Windows Update. The new key which we create is Windows Update. Okay, it is done. Now from here you have to select this, and you have to create one more key. Have to create, which is AU. You have to create you have to make it caps AU. And once it is done, you have to select this, and from here what you have to do is just have to right click, and here according to your system, mine is 64-bit, so I have to select keyword 64-bit. If it is 32, you can go for 32. So mine is 64, so I have to select this one, and here I have to give a name which is very important, that is no auto reboot. No auto reboot with logged on. logged on user. Okay, it is done. So now we have created a key. Now you just have to right click on this and click on modify, and here the value is 0, right? You have to change the value to 1. Go for OK, and you just have to close this and do a restart, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.